the math should be clear. Okay, we'll continue. If we open up the worksheet from last time, I said there was a question at the end that I wanted to do. Maths part 2. Okay. Right. I am going to do this one, if you can just write it down. Sorry, did you get it? 3 cos A plus 4 sin A. Okay. Right, so here's how to do it. Three cos A plus 4 sin A. So the trick is, if there's a trick to this, you draw a triangle and you call this side 3 and this side 4 and this side 5 and this angle B, and B would be tan inverse 4 over 3, which would be whatever it is. Mike, do you have a calculator? Yeah. Yeah, in degrees.
53.13.
53.13 degrees. Yes!
I assume, oh, you don't have a marker.
Sorry, 21st century in here. Equals. So here's the trick. You take out 5. So you have 5 3/5 cos A plus 4/5 sin A. So that's the same thing. But when you look at this, you realize that 3/5 is the same as cos B, and 4/5 is the same as sin B. And you can check it. If you type in cos B, that's equal to cos 53.13, you should get 0.6. Why don't you check it?
Cos 53.3.
13, yeah. And likewise for sine, you should get 0.8.
0.799.
Yeah. So what you've done is you've replaced 3. You've changed 3 into 3/5 into cos B, and you've changed 4 into 5/5 into sin B. Or rather, you've changed it into 5 cos 53.13 cos A plus sin 53.13 sin A. And this is the cos A minus B formula. So this would be 5 cos A minus B. So what you've done is you've changed a cos and a sine into just a cos. This is a useful trick. It's worth writing this one down. I haven't seen it in the exam, but I think it is something you could get in the exam. Wow.
Oh.
This is not like you. What happened to you?
Nothing.
Nothing? Ah, no, it must be something. You're never late.
I just woke up and then I realized it's 9 o'clock.
Okay. Sit yourself down. Which way are you going? Over here? Okay. Do I give you attendance? Awfully close.
So what if it wasn't like 3 minutes, 3, 4, 12 is...
Pythagoras, yeah. This is only from the last class. We haven't done anything new yet.
How is it?
Oh no, I'm not repeating. You're going to have to watch the video. It's not fair to Adnan, who was on time. I won't be saying that sentence so often. What? Yeah, exactly, yeah. How was your ESAP yesterday?
Huh? No.
It was okay.
Not useful? Useful? Medium?
Useful, yeah. Medium useful, but like the solving part is useful.
Yes. Do you learn something new?
Something new? No, not personally.
Not personally. Is it worth your time?
Yes.
Okay. Continue? You can grab this from the video.
Yeah.
Or if you really want to,
No.
you can take a picture. No? Okay. Right, so next lesson. So last lesson we were looking at compound angles. So in this lesson we're looking at double angles. Okay? So, nothing really too different. A double angle is an angle like this, sine 2a, for example. But you realize that you can change this into sine a plus sine a, sine a plus a, because that's 2a. And then you can use your compound angle for sine a plus b, where it's sine a cos b plus, well, b is a here, so you end up with the result 2 sine a cos a is sine 2a. So this is our first double angle formula, one of 3 formulas. I'll give you a minute to give me the cos 2a when you're ready. Okay.
Cosine square minus sine square.
For cos 2a? What did you guess? Say again?
Cosine square
Yeah.
minus
Yeah.
sine square.
Yeah. Okay, and one more for you to do, please. Give me tan 2a.
2 tan A over 1 minus.
Correct? Yes, good. Okay, these are the double angle formulas. So, let's have a look at how to use these. Very similar, very similar to what we did yesterday. So, let's do C here. Tan A equals 5 over 12. So here's the information. Tan A equals 5 over 12. A and 2A are acute. And what am I looking for? I want to find cos 2A as an example. Yeah? So, can I do this one now? Yeah. So, we can use the formula that tan 2A is equal to 1 minus, sorry, no it's not. Tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A over 1 minus tan squared A. So tan 2A is equal to 2, 5 times 12 over 1 minus 5 over 12 squared, which is 5 over 6 over 1 minus 25 over 144. Which is 5 over 6, and then, whatever, 1, I'm lazy. 1 minus 25 over 144, 119 over 114. So, 5, 6 divided by the answer, 120 over 119. That's tan 2A. Quick triangle here, and you get 120, 119, this is 2A here, and
Can I use the formula tan 2A plus 1 equals 6 sec 2A?
I haven't done that formula yet.
We did it in semester 1.
Did you really? Then you can. But you didn't do it with me.
Yeah.
But you can. 28561. 169. Now, here you have sine 2A equals plus or minus 120 over 169, and cos 2A equals plus or minus 119 over 169. We can never be certain of the sign. But which one do we take here? Yeah. So it's the positive ones in both cases. We're only looking for cos 2A anyways. 119 over 169. Let me just check the answer, okay? This is 1C. Yes, it's right. Okay. Do you know who that is? Huh? Correct. He's my favorite.
It's one in the denominator.
Huh?
5 over 6 over 119 over what? 114?
Yeah.
Or 144?
No, 114 because Sharif. Wait, I think so. It's this minus this, I think is this.
Should be 144.
I think you're right. Who the heck is this? Better answer. Hello? They hung up on me.
Why is it only with this?
It only rang twice. It's like, oh no, he answered. Hang up.
119 or 114.
Is there people in Ireland like they call in you where it's like if you're Stephen where it's like Lorraine you don't know this is my phone, Stephen. And he call you again.
No, that doesn't happen actually. Fortunately, if they call once and you say this is the wrong number, you don't usually get a call back saying, so where's the rain? I said, no, this is Stephen. Is that what you mean? Yeah. Yeah, don't get that.
There's someone one time called me saying, this is my number, give me the SIM card, it's mine. And I use it for years.
Back from the dead. Where's my SIM card?
Some people are just not right. Okay. You have this?
Yes.
Huh, I wonder who that was. Maybe I can look their number up online.
How?
I just put it into Google, because if it's a business number, then it'll be on their website, so Google will know it. And if it's a private number, then it won't be online. You know, if it was a shop or a bank or somebody's personal business,
Still be online.
it'd be on Google. If it's not on Google, maybe it's somebody's home number. It's better than nothing. Okay, you have this? Yep, alright. Let's have a look at another example now. So that's kind of easy going from the A to the 2A. It's a little bit harder now is going backwards. So let's try to see here. Tan 2A. Come on. Tan 2A equals 240 over 161. A and 2A are acute, so that means you're in this quadrant. And we would like to know sine. Got that? Yeah? Okay, so start here now. Tan 2A, which equals 2 tan A over 1 minus tan squared A, that's equal to 240 over 161. Yeah? So then I get 2 tan A times 161 equals 240 times 1 minus tan squared A. So 50 and 11, 322?
So you want something that's quadratic?
Yeah. I'm trying to find tan A. Let's hope it has roots. 240 tan squared A plus 322 tan A minus 240 equals 0. Now, what can I divide by?
Nothing.
At least 2. So not nothing. 1.
You're doing by the reference.
No. 161, 120, and I think that's it. So now we'll go by the calculator. Mode. It makes us feel smarter. 161 and then minus 120. So you get 8/15 or minus 15 over 8 for tan A.
Yeah, and they are acute, so you take that.
We have to reject this one because it should be
positive.
a positive since I said it's acute. So a quick triangle, this is 8, this is 15. So I don't know what the other side is. I don't know this one. Is it 3, 4, 5? No, it's not.
15 and 8. I think it's 13.
Yes, I think you're right. No, 17. 17. So, finally, what did I say I was looking for? Sine A, wasn't it? Sine A is plus or minus, because we're never 100% sure of the signs, 8 over 17, but it's clear here we have to choose plus because it's acute. Yeah. So this is a hard one, and even this is not too hard. I know, write it down, there's plenty of time. Okay. You posted this on your Facebook?
I want to send it to my friend because I hate this.
Hashtag hate?
He explained this for me hundreds of times and I didn't understand it.
Do you understand it now?
Yeah.
Yep. You know what the difference is?
I think...
No. The difference is you have me now.
No.
That's what you're supposed to say. He's not getting it.
No, I mean... It was very hard. So that's why. This one I think is...
No, you're supposed to say it's because of you, teacher.
Okay.
Oh, that's so convincing, so convincing.
Okay. Steven,
Yes.
why the numbers are flipped in the why it's 8 over 15 and 15 over I think it should be minus 8 over.
No, these are the answers from the quadratic.
Yeah, but if we are looking to the steps, we would take the minus.
15 over 8.
Yeah, minus 15 over 8. And it's the same angle. So why the tan for the same angle are different when you are
It's not the same angle, and tan is quite interesting because if you have, I'll give you an example. You can check this on your calculator, but if you calculate tan of 10 degrees and then tan of 80 degrees,
they are the same because
no, they're not the same. One will be upside down. So, like for example, if this is 53.13, or well, let's just pick something else. If this is 20 and this here is 80, one is upside down of the other. And the reason is, let's say this is 20 and this is 3 and this is, I don't know, well maybe not 20, I'd say 3 and 4. And then if I draw a triangle here, which is 3 and 4, this angle is the same as this angle. So if this angle is 10 and this angle is 10, then this angle is 80. In other words, when I can see this is 10 from 0 and this is 10 from 90, one will be upside down the other. So what's happening here The reason this one is upside down is I'm picturing this angle here would be here. The minus makes it in one of this quadrant or this quadrant. And the fact that it's upside down means it's the same angle away from the y-axis. So I'm picturing this is probably here, and this angle will be the same as this angle. So maybe it's moved 90 degrees. I don't know until I calculate it. Okay, you've written this down?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yep. Okay. Let's see. 5 and 6, so juicy hard. Yeah, good luck with those if you try to do them. Yeah, they're not too bad, as you can see. They're not too bad. Can I give you 3 of them to do now, and then we go on to the next lesson? Can I give you 3 to do now? I'll give you... Sorry, maybe I'm not speaking English anymore. Can I give you 3 of them to do now, and then I can go on to the next lesson? Okay. Okay, so 1B, that looks okay. Okay, no, I'll make it even easier because I think these are smaller numbers. So we'll go with 1I, and then 2G, and then 3. They won't take you that long to do because look, it only took me 1 screen to do it. I didn't have to zoom out to continue it. It's 1 screen. So it's not that long to do. Which ones? 5 and 6. They're just too long for the exam. Because you only have so much time, you know. So 5 and 6 would be a bit too hard for the exam. But I mean, I encourage you to do hard ones. We'll do these 3, and then we'll start the next lesson. What is the next lesson actually? Next one is, look at it, so short and easy. See? So the next lesson is quite easy. When do we get back to hard ones? Yeah, hard one. And then, yep. Yeah, integration's back. You thought you were finished with it. It's back. Not too bad. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do this today. So after today, 3 more lessons. Will we get this finished this week?
No,
We only have 1 class left?
2 hours.
But it's a double.
Yeah.
you can't finish 3 lessons.
We could, if we really wanted to, but I'm not too worried about the time because what have we got left to study? So we've done factors and we'll finish this, most of it this week. So when we come back after the break, there's the statistics at the end. You know this word, statistics?
Yeah.
Which is okay. So I think we're doing okay. What's this? 2 more weeks after the holiday, the weekend holiday, and we should be finished. That will give us
1 month.
1 month for revision, which is excellent. Excellent. I don't know if I'll have the physics finished by the same time. But what we could do,
If you didn't add more lessons in
let me
Muslim,
speak. What we could do, since we have extra time in maths, we can give some of the maths time to physics, so we can finish both of the courses sooner. I mean, what I mean to say is, we're going to finish maths 4 weeks early. If we give some time to physics, then we could finish maths and physics 3 weeks early instead.
And start revising.
Start revising them together over the last 3
how
weeks.
many weeks we would take in home, like 2 weeks?
What do you
Before
mean?
the exams.
How many weeks at home? Somewhere between 0 and 1.
Why?
There's not the time to give students revision at home. It's a tight program. But sometimes students, which I think is a bad idea, they don't come in when we're doing revision because they think they can revise better at home. I think for most students this is a mistake, because what's the point in revising at home if you don't know how to do the question? You're just going to sit there watching Netflix, drinking coffee. So, I think it's best to come in for revision. But if you feel like, the class is going too slow and everything is fine and you want to do more at home, then I can kind of understand why people wouldn't come in then. But we recommend that students do. We think it's a bad strategy to stay at home then. Yeah. Okay. Do you want me to leave the questions up on the screen, or do you want to open them on your phone?
That's true.
Okay. What was the first one I gave you? I, was it?
Yes. 7 over 6.
Okay. Let me just stop the